Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve s raised to power s raised to power 4 is equal to 64. Solution. We want to find the value of s from this equation. S raised to power s raised to power 4 is equal to 64. Let's multiply the exponent of both sides by 4. That is, s raised to power 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 raised to power of 4. If you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this is equal to a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power nm. This can be written as s raised to power 4 to the power of s raised to power 4 from this rule is equal to 64 raised to power of 4. But 64 is equal to 8 square. Then this is s raised to power 4 to the power of s raised to power 4 is equal to 8 square to the power of 4. Now from this rule, we have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power nm. Then this is 2 multiplied by 4. Now we have s raised to power 4 to the power of s raised to power 4 is equal to 8 raised to power 2 times 4, that is 8. At this point, the base is equal to 8 and the exponent is equal to 8. Therefore, s raised to power 4 is equal to 8. But we are asked to find the value of x, and since this is even, therefore s is equal to plus or minus 4th root of 8, and this is the final answer. If you enjoy my video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.